Like freaking whole eggs starting it up.
Eat some Pockys! Eat some Pockys! Eat some Pockys!
Hey guys, the Scribbler.
And the fire read.
We collect whole eggs right now because we just woke up.
I'm so tired.
But I woke up extra early at 1 p.m. and then got my juicy order from Amazon. Sure, my Pockys. There's a lot here actually.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4,
More.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 flavors.
Okay, so
Wait, yeah, 6.
we're starting with strawberry. There's chocolate, banana, cookies and cream, green tea, and this Japanese one, and dark chocolate. So, wiener. Mmm.
Let me go after that.
Mmm.
Ooh.
That smells like a little extra strawberry.
Whoa, there's a strong strawberry smell coming off of it. Like really
Wait for
strong.
This seems like it's gonna be really good.
3, 2, 1. Very milky.
Very creamy. The breadstick is really, really good. It's something I've tasted before. I like that one a lot.
Oh, that's hot.
Should we like rank them or something?
Yeah, should strawberry Pockys.
8 because I have nothing
Yeah.
to compare them to. Okay. Next is the chocolate banana one. I've had this before, but I don't really remember the flavor that much. It was a long time ago. But these ones have a chocolate bean breadstick.
Wait, really?
Yeah. Ooh, this one has like a strong banana smell coming out of it.
Ooh. Just like really banana-y. Banana-y.
Banana-y. Pretty. Banana-y.
Looks like sparklers.
That's so good. I feel like everyone that's watching this is gonna be like ultra hungry now.
Okay,
You ready?
3, 2, 1. The banana is really thick on it.
Dang. That's good though.
Like the cream, like that the banana's on is really thick.
Let me have a second one. That's good.
9 out of 10.
Hey, that's better than the strawberry one. Maybe it's just because it was a thicker coat of it,
Way thicker coat.
and you could like taste it better. I'm being too serious with this.
Show 'em
Hey,
first.
next is cookies and cream. This one also looks like it's gonna have a chocolate breadstick. Ooh, that one has like crap in it. It has like little.
It's just focused on it.
It has like Oreos in it. Yeah. Get that out of it. Yeah, it has like little bits in it. Let's try it. Smells like Oreos.
3, 2, 1. Not really a strong flavor. I can still taste the banana. Like the banana really left a nice taste in my mouth.
This one isn't better than those ones. But yeah, it's definitely not ruling out those two other ones though. I'm gonna give it a 5.
Okay, this one I feel like it's gonna be really nasty.
So this is the matcha green tea one. This is that ultra Japanese Pocky. Well, actually no, it's not the ultra Japanese one. I'm saving that one for last. Yay.
I think I'm gonna like spit this one at
No,
you.
it's gonna taste like straight up grass.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Ew.
Tastes like the smell of catnip. on the outside layer, there's like a sweet chocolate taste to it, and then the green tea flavor kicks in.
Okay, this one's worse than the cookies
I
and
give that a
cream.
3. 2.
Yeah, that one wasn't that good. Dark chocolate 1. Okay. Let's try this one. It's probably gonna taste like how I imagine it to taste like. Yeah, okay. I think this is dark chocolate. It literally just has chocolate on it. Looks dark chocolate. 3, 2, 1.
What's that yours too? Pretty good.
This is a thick coat of dark chocolate on this one.
7.
It's better than the cookies and cream. But I don't think it's better than chocolate banana.
Ooh, like a 7.
Yeah. It's a 7. I don't even know if I like it better than strawberry.
This is that nice package.
This is the Ultra Japan one. Look, this one has like symbols on it.
And it has like a little lip to open.
It has like a lip. It's freaking like, that's even like focused. Ooh.
Oh, is there Velcro?
What is this? Oh. What the heck?
It comes with 2?
It's like this packaging.
There's like
bad.
little.
Oh, it's very like cheap packaging though.
There's a way to open it. Look.
What the heck are they doing in Japan?
Literally the future.
They're like bigger. These ones are a lot bigger.
The chocolate's way thicker on them.
They're thick.
And they're heavy.
Yeah, they got a freaking weight to them.
Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1.
Mmm. Oh my god.
Ooh. And the Pocky stick this time has salt on it, so it has like a.
Japan is doing it right.
Japan is doing it right. And he pulled it straight out of the bag.
This is probably the best one. I'm glad we saved that one for last. I didn't think it was gonna be like this. Yeah, it's like milk chocolate. It kind of tastes like the milk chocolate from those Oreo candy bars. You know what I'm talking about? It has a really like milkiness. And the breadstick. Kind of harder though. They cook more. Okay. What do you rate that one?
10.
Yeah, I rate that one a 10. This one's good.
10 out of 10.
I already ate 3 or 4.
Got a little hair on it. Oh.
Okay. Well, that was that. Got this one won. The milk chocolate one that's from like Japan. And that little tab on it. And the one that was least liked was the green tea.
What a surprise.
That was that. These were really, really good. I'm glad I actually got to like try these. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you please like, comment, subscribe, and
Let us know in the comments what you want to see next. For sure. Because we definitely enjoyed this video.
if you guys have anything else for me to taste test, then that would be like juicy. But yeah,
I'm always open to eat.
goodbye.